Have you ever said to yourself, I wish I could take my hairstylist home with me? Have you tried to recreate in-salon looks with little to no success, only to feel lost and confused? Or maybe you're just looking for new inspiration and want to learn more. I'm Krystina, your how-to hairstylist, and here I share with you the best ways to create in-salon looks with confidence and ease. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create some undone texturized curls using a 1-inch curling iron. I'm going to start out by working with my Paw Mitchell Pro Tools Express Ion 1-inch curling iron set to 325 degrees for my medium hair texture. I definitely would recommend staying below 200 degrees until you feel really comfortable and can work quickly with this technique. Once you see how your hair responds to the heat and how quickly you can work, you can slowly begin to step up the temperature of your curling iron over time. Sectioning the hair is one of the best things you can do to help set yourself up for success and not overwhelm yourself or your curling iron with too much hair at one time. I like to start my first section from my ears down, the next one from my temples to the top of my ears, and then the top crown section. But this is going to depend on the density of hair that you have and how long it is as well. One good rule to follow, especially when working in the front, is to always work away from the face. The curling iron should always curl away from the face, especially in the front of the ears. Act like it was curtains framing your face, and the movement should be away. This is one of the biggest mistakes that I see clients make, is just not knowing which direction to turn the curling iron, and then it just not looking natural. So as I'm going through, you notice that I'm using the curling iron up higher on the hair strand and then working to the ends. This really helps preserve the ends of your hair, which already tend to be a little bit fragile, and help give you this beachy wave look. So starting up at the top, I use my finger on the clip of the curling iron to lightly drag the hair through so that it doesn't pull. Using a thermal protectant like the NeuroProtect is a great way to help keep a lightweight barrier between the heat that you're using and your hair. First, try out this technique using fairly small sections, not enough to overwhelm your curling iron, and start by doing everything in the same direction to start. As you grow more comfortable with curling the hair, then you can start alternating the directions that the curls are. So as I get to this front section, I really want to make sure that everything goes away from the face as it would naturally fall. So I'm using my curling iron with the clip in front, curling the middle of the hair, dragging it down, and then I just like to give it a little twist as I let the hair out of the curling iron. So combing it again, using my curling iron up at the top of the hair, letting it all pass through, coming down until I have about an inch of hair outside of the barrel, lightly opening that clip and giving it a twist. My last section here, still working away from the face, giving it a gentle twist and letting the ends pass through. One of the key pro tips to getting curls to last all day is to let them completely cool down after you've curled them before running your fingers through them or using a large detangling comb. And there you have it.